Imagine a steak with a deeply caramelized crust, yielding to a perfectly pink center. Today, we're revealing the secret to steakhouse quality perfection, the reverse sear method. What's your favorite steak cut for absolute deliciousness? Share your thoughts in the comments. The reverse sear philosophy. Gentle, even cooking before intense searing, developing maximum flavor and that irresistible crust without overcooking the center. We'll start by gently baking. First, pat the steaks completely dry with paper towels. Removing excess moisture is key for the perfect crust. Next, lightly coat the steaks with olive oil. Curious why? Stay tuned. Time to elevate the flavor. Generously season the steaks with coarse sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Don't hold back, bold seasoning is crucial for that incredible crust. What special seasonings or rubs do you love to use on steak? I'm eager to hear your creative tips. Drop them in the comments. Steaks seasoned and ready, it's oven time. Place the steaks in our crimson red Dutch oven and into a preheated 275-degree oven. Bake until they reach an internal temperature of 120 degrees for medium rare perfection. This takes roughly 25 to 30 minutes, but always use a meat thermometer for pinpoint accuracy. This low, slow bake is the core of the reverse sear, cooking the steak evenly. Want to know why this matters? Keep watching. Once the steaks hit 120 degrees, remove them from the oven and let them rest at room temperature while we crank up the oven to 450 degrees. This resting period is vital. It allows the steak fibers to relax, letting the steak retain its moisture during the sear, resulting in a juicier, more tender result. What's your single most crucial step for a truly phenomenal steak? Now, the exciting sear. Place the crimson red Dutch oven on the stovetop over high heat. Add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted and slightly browned, burn noisette, add the smashed garlic, rosemary, and thyme. The browned butter infuses nutty notes, and the herbs add savory aromatics. This is where the magic unfolds. Carefully place the steaks in the hot, butter-infused pan. Sear for 1 to 2 minutes per side, continuously basting with the melted butter and herbs. Watch that color transformation. The key: developing a deep golden brown crust while keeping that perfectly pink interior. Ready to see the incredible results? Remove the steaks from the skillet and onto a cutting board. Let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, creating a more tender, flavorful steak. Don't skip this. Finally, slice against the grain and prepare to enjoy the amazing result of your work. Before serving, drizzle the steaks with those luscious pan juices. The aroma is irresistible, buttery, herbaceous, savory. The taste is even better. That perfect blend of rich, caramelized crust and melt in your mouth tender interior. The reverse sear delivers steakhouse excellence right at home. Congratulations, you've mastered the reverse sear. Find the complete recipe in the video description. Like this culinary adventure? Please like the video and subscribe to AI Chef for more delicious discoveries every week. Next time, we will dive into perfecting the ultimate béarnaise sauce, the perfect accompaniment for your new steak skill.